Can we just use the card now?
I can't take your card. That's the only problem. I can't
Why?
take it.
Because someone shut down your credit card processing account?
Thank you for calling support. This is Neil. How can I help you?
Oh, hello. Yeah, my name's Robert, and I got this error message, a security error thing that came up.
Okay. Can you just read that thing for me?
Yeah, it says your system might be infected with the adware pop.exe computer virus.
Okay. And when did you get this message exactly?
About 5 minutes ago.
And what you were doing on the computer that time?
I think I was trying to get to YouTube, and this thing came up.
You were trying to get to the YouTube.
Yes.
Okay. And the computer you're using, what's the make of your computer, Robert?
I'm not sure. I think my friend built this with some other spare computer parts.
Okay, and how old is this computer?
I think it's about like 3 years old.
3 years old.
Yeah, roughly around 3 years old.
Okay, and where are you calling from, Robert?
Right now I'm located in California.
You're located in California?
Yeah.
Alright. So, we'll do one thing. We'll first give you some instructions, and that will help you to get your computer connected. As soon as it gets connected, I'll start checking and diagnosing your computer. Once it's completely diagnosed, we'll be able to know what exactly causing you these troubles, so we can give you a perfect solution for that. And once everything gets fixed and updated, you can get back on the computer once again, okay?
Okay.
Alright, and how many people use this computer? Occasionally or normally?
It's usually just me.
Only one person, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Take a look on your keyboard at the bottom left-hand corner. There you have a Windows button. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see that.
Press and hold down that button, and while you're holding it down, hit the letter R. R for Roger.
Okay.
Only one time, then let it go. Both the buttons.
Alright, a little thing came up and it says run.
And is there anything written in that box where the cursor is flashing? No, it's empty. Okay, I want you to type in that box, I Explorer. Okay. Now give a space. Alright. Then type www dot. Okay. Join, 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 dot. Zoho, Zoho, .com. And please repeat all the things back to me so I can make sure you have everything good. You have iExplore, www.join.zoho.com. Yeah, that's correct. Now click on OK. Okay. Once you click on OK, it will open up a page and let me know what it is. What do you see? Alright, Internet Explorer came up. Okay, this is it. I couldn't find a join. Okay, then take a look at the top left-hand corner. Do you see you're having arrows pointing backward, forward? Yeah. And in the same line, you have a long box, and something is written in that box. I want you to click in that box and make it empty. Okay. And once the box is empty, type in the box www.google.com, then hit enter from your keyboard, and it will open up a Google homepage. Okay. Is it open up now? Yep, now it's open. Okay, and you have a Google search box in the middle of your screen as well, right? Yep, I see that. Now click in that box and type in the box join, join, dot Zoho, ZOHO.com. Then hit enter and tell me what are the options it's giving you.
Yeah, it says meetingzoho.com/join and join session Zoho.
Do you see any option which is saying join remote support?
Yes, it says remote support Zoho meeting.
Yeah, click on that.
Okay, now it says
Once you click on,
enter session
yeah,
ID.
all right. Give me 1 minute so I can give you the session ID. Okay.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right, Robert. You can type these numbers. It's 348608469. You got it?
Yep.
Now click on join session. Once you do that, it will ask you to download. So click on download. And once you click on download, look at the bottom of your screen. It will ask you, do you want to save or cancel? Click on save.
Okay.
Once you click on save, it will ask you to run. Click on run. And after that, it will ask you for a few permissions. Click on every positive options like yes, okay, allow.
Okay.
Now at the bottom left right hand corner, click on continue.
Okay.
Alright, it gets connected. I can see your screen of the computer, and please leave the computer as it is. Don't use your mouse or the keyboard, okay?
Oh, okay.
And you said this is the computer which some of your friend built for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's almost 3 years old computer, right?
I think so.
Okay. Alright, let's see. It's getting reconnected again. And which is the internet service provider you are using? What's your internet service provider?
I have a Comcast here.
Comcast. Okay. And this is the warning message you have, right?
Yes.
It's saying that you might be infected with an adware pop-up. Banking. Okay. Alright, Robert, let's see. First of all, few things. And you said you were on YouTube, right?
Yeah, I was trying to go to YouTube, but I didn't get there.
Okay. And since you had this computer, did you face any kind of a problems with that?
What kind of problems?
Any kind of a problem, like if you had any virus issues in the past with this computer, any kind of a problem?
No.
No. Okay. And this is a laptop or a desktop?
It's a desktop.
Okay.
So, what is adware?
Adware is actually what I can say. Whenever you go onto any website, you always see a lot of advertisements over there. You know, some of the advertisements always stays at their place, but some started to bother you whenever you're trying to open something. Until and unless you click on them, they won't go away. So as soon as you click on them, there is a file connected with some of the advertisements. They get installed into your computer. They had a virus attached with it, and that's started to messing with your computer system. So
Oh,
that's
okay.
the adware. Another part, whenever you are using your emails, you always get to receive, every person receives spam emails come into your spam folder. Always have some attractive offers for you, and they always want you to give some information and follow the instructions. As soon as you follow the instructions, they always take you to another website. When you checking those websites, a file gets installed into your computer. So always try to stay away from these spam emails. Don't check it out, or try to stay away from the pop-up ads as well. I'll take care of the rest. I'll install a pop-up blocker on your browser that will help you to block all those unwanted pop-ups right away, so you won't receive it. But you need to make sure you don't get any spam emails. Don't open them. Don't check it out if you don't recognize the user which is sending you those emails, okay?
Oh, okay.
Alright, now the very first thing I want you to hear, write it down your full name along with a phone number on which we can contact you and the email ID, as this is custom build computer. There is no records of your computer registered with it, so I can get your information updated. Please go ahead.
Okay.
So how do we do that? So tomorrow, possibility. So it's very hard to do that. So you will be at home at 6 o'clock, right? So it's right now 2:15, all right? Almost 2:15. So I will give you a call back at 6 o'clock, okay? Okay, so please be in front of the computer, all right? Okay, thank you for your time. उसके यहाँ 2:15 बज रहे हैं, तो 6 बजे बोली कॉल कर ली, तो हम तो कर सकते हैं, स्टिल 4 hours left.
Okay. I got the information down.
Alright, thank you. And I want to ask you one more question. This is the same number by which you're calling right now?
No, that number is my
Thank you for
my cell
calling
phone number.
customer support. This is Alex.
And you're calling from a different number, right? I want you to write down that number as well as an alternate point of contact.
Customer support. This is Alex. How can I help you?
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right.
So, yeah. So, how long you have been getting this problem? And what were you doing on your computer when you got this message?
Alright, thank you. And these both of the numbers in California, right?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. But you said you're calling from California.
Yeah, like I have this like my home phone system is like it's like a internet thing. It's like a Umatelo thing. So like it has
Uh-huh.
like a number from a different state.
Okay. Which state?
I set this phone up in like in a DC.
This phone. 601.
The home phone number, the 859 number.
859. Okay, so which one is your cell phone? I'm just getting confused here. You told me 859 is your cell phone, and now you're saying this is your home phone. So which one? Just clear that part. Which one is your cell phone?
Oh yeah, it's the 601. Yeah.
601 is your cell phone,
Yes.
and you're calling from your cell phone, right?
Yep.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
So let me do one thing. Let me check the remote access of the computer.
Okay. So which number is a local number for California?
So what is the make of this computer?
What was that?
Right.
Which number is a local number for you in California?
What does that mean?
Like you're calling from California, so you must be having a number in California, right?
No, like I don't have like a California number. It's just where I live.
So have a look on your keyboard.
Okay.
And
All right,
look at
no
the
problem.
very bottom left. You will find the Microsoft Windows button. You find that. What you need to do is to press it and hold it down, and at the same time, you need to push the letter on, always in Rogers.
And did you connected any like a thumb drive with this computer?
Not recently.
It's still connected. I can see that. It's showing me right here that there is a thumb drive connected with this computer. You see that?
Yeah, I see that.
So, did you connected any thumb drive?
I don't think so.
Anything extra connected with this computer?
I think my printer's connected, but I think I've unplugged it recently.
Okay.
No.
It's showing that you have connected an extra thumb drive with this computer.
Now type IS close. IES.
And this is a laptop, you said?
It's a desktop.
It's a desktop. So do you have any other computer apart from this one in your home?
My smartphone. Oh, does that count?
No. Any other computer?
No.
No computer, right?
Yeah.
Just this one.
Yep, that's correct.
And do you have any idea which security you have working in this computer?
I think my friend installed something called like what was it, like Komodo? Is that it?
Okay. Okay.
Now tell me what you have typed in that box.
Let's see. Yes. Now, I want you to take a look on the first message about your network firewall. It's saying Windows Firewall and Komodo Firewall are both turned on. Note that running more than one can cause your computer to have some conflicts. It can cause your computer to work slow. So when your computer is working slow, the only problem is it always creates a loopholes. Whenever your computer is working slow, your securities won't be able to protect those loopholes, and the problems comes from those loopholes into the computer. So make sure you only require one security. You don't need any other securities for the computer. You don't have to put 3 or 4 securities into the computer. You only need one. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And are you paying for this security?
Okay. So hit the Windows key and the letter
I
R
think that
again
was
to
the free version.
Free version.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you hit the Windows key and the letter R from the keyboard?
Now this is the red symbol is the application failure. If you can see, critical events Microsoft authorization host stopped working on 18th of September 5:50 p.m.
No. I'm not telling you to click on the Windows box on your
And
keyboard.
your Microsoft malware protection also stopped working same date. Do you see that?
At the same time,
Yeah, I see that.
no.
Anti-malware service
What do you have
stopped.
in that box? Just read it to me.
All right, Robert, I will not take too much time of yours because at least it will take 30 to 40 minutes extra to work on the computer and get it fixed up.
Okay, I'm telling once again.
Now, the very important thing is whenever you purchase any computer, you get few services with it. As you didn't purchase this computer, you have a custom build, different parts from different companies build one computer. You don't have these services. Whenever you purchase any computer like Dell, HP, whichever the brand is, you always get two services. One is the warranty, you know about it, that covers the physical damages on the computer. Physical damage, or I can say hardware repairs.
There is no dot after
Okay.
As long as you have it, you can, whenever your computer gets physically damaged, any part, you can go back to the same store where you purchased it. They will repair your computer free of charge. Another part that's called online remote support, that covers your computer for the software damages. Everything which is working in your computer, your security, applications, programs, performance of the computer. And as long as you have this service, whenever you face any problem, you don't have to go to the store or leave your computer there to get it fixed. You can right away call your technician, and as soon as the technician gets connected with your computer through a remote session like I am connected, he will take a look into your computer, check it out, whatever the problem is, that will be fixed within an hour, and you can get back on the computer once again, and you don't have to leave your house. That will be done in front of you and in a minimum time, and you can have your computer back. So these are the two services which always come along with a computer whenever you purchase it. And as long as you have these services, you don't have to go to any store or you don't have to pay for it. And that includes few things for your computer. I'll let you know. First thing, security. You don't have to pay for it. That includes antivirus, anti-spyware, anti-malware, and a firewall. Another part, cleanup and service. And for that, you have to give us a call at least once in 3 months, so a technician can do the regular checkup of your computer. That will help your computer to work good and last longer. So make sure you can give us a call. Another part,
Okay.
it includes unlimited fixations. So if you're facing any problem once in a year or like 4 times, 10 times, 20 times, there will be no charges you have to pay for that. Every time you can get a free fix. Another part, these services are transferable. So if you anything happens to this computer in future, you get a new computer, give us a call, tell us I have a new computer, so we can transfer the services onto your new computer as well, and you can use the same services. Okay?
Okay.
Now, in order to get your computer registered for these services, there will be a one-time registration charge that you have to take care of it, as you didn't register it before and you don't have any services. The services starts with a 1 year. It includes the security and the support.
It seems your computer is running very slow.
That will cost you a one-time charge of
Made any changes in the
$249.99 for the complete 1 year.
downloaded any
2 years,
parts, anything?
security and support,
Now click on OK.
$349.99.
Just click on OK.
And the last option you have for 3 years,
Did that?
security and support.
Click on OK.
That'll cost you $399.99. These are the three options you have available for you for your computer. You can choose any one of it, whichever is best convenient for you. Just you need to make sure, keep in mind one thing, your security will get changed. I will install the security that will be McAfee,
Exactly you have on your screen right
total protection.
Oh, okay. I heard bad things about McAfee.
Yeah, it's one of the top most securities. You must have heard a lot of securities like McAfee, Norton, Avast, Trend Micro, Kaspersky. These are the good securities.
Yeah, but I
And
heard bad things about McAfee and what was the other one? Norton. That was the other one. Like saying like they're
yeah,
like too
Norton.
expensive and like they can get like better free versions.
Yeah.
This is these securities are, one of the top securities that includes everything for your computer. There are certain products available as well, like if you just want an antivirus, you can get an antivirus that will cost you less. If you want the whole package, which includes everything for your computer, just to make sure you won't receive any viruses, malwares, spywares, or your firewall won't get breached by these pop-up advertisements, adwares, that also includes in the whole package everything. You don't have to cover up with other securities, like if you're having antivirus, if you get a malware in your computer, you need to put anti-malware security in your computer as well. But it doesn't mean you have to purchase different securities for everything. That will all be included in the one package.
Oh, okay.
Norton
The
Norton is
cheapest
also good, but sorry.
the cheapest service seems like expensive. Is there like a one-time fix type thing? Like what does my computer actually need?
One-time fix, I don't recommend you for a one-time fix, because one-time fix doesn't include any security for your computer. I will fix the problem that you have, clean up your computer, and clean up those adware pop-ups that you have installed into the computer. But one-time fix only lasts for one time, for today only. After a week or 10 days or a month later, if you face any kind of a problem, then you can easily understand you have to take care of that by paying one time again. So how many times you pay that kind of a charge, as one time will cost you $100. So if I
Okay.
take the three incidents, if I take the three incidents in 1 year, you will be end up paying $300, and without even having the security. So instead of spending that kind of a money, you can invest your money and getting a support on that, including everything for your computer. If you face 3 problems in a year or 30 problems, you just need to give a call and ask the technician, I'm having a problem, and that technician's responsibility is to take care of your problem. You don't have to do anything else.
Okay. So like
And you,
do you have like a website that like shows like all like those packages and like what they have?
packages,
Yeah, like
these are the
1 year and like 2 year service things.
yeah, of course, these are the packages what I just gave you.
Okay. Like, so do you have like a website that lays them out and like shows you what each of them, how each is different?
Before I go ahead and diagnose
Like how each is different, I'm not understand what exactly you're asking. These are the packages what you have available on your computer, what I'm giving you right now. These are different because these are having a different, years. If you choose to go for 1 year, it will cost you $249.99, and the same if you choose to go for 2 years, you can get it done in $349.99. Like 2 years of service at a one time, you can get your computer registered for 2 years, or you can do it 1 year and 1 year. That will cost you more, and the same goes for the 3 years as well. In 3 years, you will be getting the 3 years of services in 400.
Okay. Let's
Like
let's
it's
go with
simple.
the 1 year.
Like it's simple.
Cause
I'll tell you a few
I don't
things.
really have that kind of cash on me.
No problem. You can take a look. It's just simple. Like for example, if you take the 1 year, it's costing you $249.99. After 1 year, you will get again 1 year. it will again cost you 249.99. So for 2 years it will be 500 you will be spending. But if you take the 2 years, you can save 150, and same goes for the 3 years as well. So that's the difference. What you were asking, what is the difference between these services? The difference is just about your money. You can save it, or you can keep on doing like that. You have both the options. Decision is totally yours, not mine. I can suggest you, I can advise you good, but you need to look into the big picture and go ahead and make the decision.
Okay, so I guess I'll just go with the 2 year then.
Okay. You wanna go for the 2 years, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. But still, if you can afford, if you can, stretch yourself a little for $50 more, you can go for the 3 years as well. But it's totally up to you.
Nah, I don't think I can.
Okay, no problem, Robert. Do one thing, give me your billing address here.
Okay.
Or you can just, tell me the billing address, I'll write it down for you. You can check if everything is good to know. So meantime, you can type the name, full name, and the email address. Type your full name. And your complete email address that you're using right now. Alright. Now, I want you to check all the information if everything is good to go or not. If you want to make any changes, let me know.
Those look good. Do you have like the website we're talking about? Like, could I see that?
What website?
With like the packages and stuff.
The packages and stuff. Your address, I just want to confirm it. Of course, you can. Of course, you can see that. I'll let you know. I just want to confirm your address is 3716 Court Lane, Nicholasville, Kentucky, right?
Yep.
Okay, so you are in Kentucky right now?
I'm staying in California right now, but my house is in Kentucky.
Kentucky, okay.
So do you use any Facebook account? Charge network on this computer as well? Do you use your email?
And what do you do, Robert, by your profession?
Do you watch any online videos on YouTube?
I'm sorry, what was that?
What I'm just asking, what do you do by profession?
Oh yeah, I'm a car mechanic.
Online shopping?
Car mechanic.
Okay. Do you pay your bills online? Any online banking? Now, let me check how old this computer is.
Right, Robert, there is a problem. The address is not good. So are you sure you're giving me the good address?
Let me see.
Take a look once again. You take any decisions?
That's correct, yeah.
Anything happens to you take any decisions? Count name. And the zip code?
40356.
Okay. So I can see that lots of stuff are missing inside the computer. Windows not updated properly. Still you're using old version of operating system. Just Windows 8, it has not been updated. I think the services of your computer has not been updated. So drivers has not been updated. And which protection you're using, remember? 40356, right?
Yep.
Which online protection you're using inside the computer? Yeah, no. I don't see any. This is the network security. Which security you're using? It's the city is Nicholasville, right? It's not Nicolaville.
Okay. I'm just restarting your computer.
Yeah.
And your email address, it's Robert M. Clark 420.
Yep. At gmail.com.
So the discounting, you have some.
Okay. I just want to run a quick check. I want you to please go ahead and open your email here so I can take a look if it's already connected on the adwares or not.
Okay.
Okay, as I can see that this is a computer problem which has blocked each and every. You can see that it has been blocked.
All right, there you
So
go.
I think there is no any proper security inside your computer. I don't see any security.
Oh,
inside your
it's
computer.
already connected. All right.
That's why it's getting blocked. You can see that no security. I can
So do you check your like emails?
Yeah, I checked them, and I don't like having a lot of emails. Like, some of my friends have like 400 emails that haven't read it,
access protection.
so I like to delete mine so it looks cleaner.
This is the network access.
Okay. Or maybe you just made this email today at itself, right? Because if you're, using any kind of a email, even if you're not using it, you get to receive more than one email, and you're only having one lonely email in your account.
Well, I like to
So
delete them, like after I read them.
nobody likes to delete them. How many emails you can delete it, right?
Well, I delete them
This,
after I'm done with
this,
them. Like, there's no point in like
okay.
having like a notification about like
That's that's good if you're doing it, but still, you get a one email from Skype. I believe that's where you are calling me, and one email is from Microsoft account team
yeah,
to
this is
finish up
like
your
my
Microsoft
computer.
account. Yeah, but that email is coming just yesterday. So your computer is 3 years old. You told me.
Yeah, like I don't understand what the problem is. Like, do you have a problem with like what I do with my emails?
No. I wanted to check if you're doing any, if you're receiving any spam emails or not. But the email account you have, it looks pretty new to me. So are you sure you are using that's the same email you are using?
Oh yeah, I use that email, but I delete stuff that I don't want.
Okay,
Like,
delete means you delete
if I make an account
all the
somewhere,
emails.
I don't want to have like an email that just says you verified it. Like, I don't. There's no value in there. It just says verified.
All right, no problem, Robert. I'll go ahead and get your computer registered and tell me, you will use a card or a check?
I have a card.
Okay, which card is it?
It's a Visa.
Okay, I want you to use a check instead of a card. The reason is you can save at least $50 on that. That will cost you extra because you will have to pay the state taxes, and card information always gets saved into the computer. Computer always records the card information. So I don't want you to face any other bigger problem with this, any financial issues. So instead of a card, I want you to use a check. You can save the taxes. You will get a taxes waived off on the check, and a check cannot be used twice. So if you use a check, please go ahead and grab your checkbook because I can't accept your card. I don't want you to face any financial problems over here.
Okay.
Have you turned off your computer?
I'll open a form for you.
Don't forget to shut down the computer whenever you go to bed, because when you leave the computer,
Give me one moment.
some files are still running. So which one would you like to opt for?
All right, Mr. Robert, are you there?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay, I want you to type your email address first in this box.
Which box?
Suppose whenever you buy any
At the bottom,
Oh, I
do you
see.
see that box where the cursor is flashing?
after 1 year,
Okay.
it gets expired.
Type your email address so you can get a receipt for the same.
Means if anything happens in the future, like within this 1 year time period, anything happens, any strange thing like computers getting slower, computer not working properly, applications getting slower. So just
Okay, thank you.
give us a call on this number.
Now, I want you to type your name as it appears on your account. Same as it appears in your account.
Just note down this number.
Okay, so like, who's gonna get this money?
For any issues, just leave us
Who's
a call.
gonna get this money? You can
Yeah,
take a look here.
like what
Every
company?
information is here.
Any strange thing happens in your computer, just
So
give us a call. And
does
your
that
each
company
and
have a
every issue will be
website?
taken care of free of
'Cause-
cost, okay?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Support. But security will be
Good.
Of course.
Could I see it?
for the 1 year security.
Of course. You wanna see the website?
For 1 year, that's not 149.
Yeah, 'cause like,
But
I've got like calls from people that said like my computer's like broken or something, and like I asked them for like a website, and they say they don't have one. And then like later
Okay.
I found out they're like trying to like take my money for some reason.
the same.
No. We are not like that.
And this security contains, let me tell you, each and everything, what does this security contain, so that you can have a better idea. This is a highly ranked security which will protect you all the things. This security contains, first thing, it contains anti.
You can take a look. This is the website. We support laptops, desktops, printers, routers, security problems,
Oh, okay.
everything.
Then it's the firewall security.
Oh, so
Firewall
you
security
guys sell like Norton?
will protect your computer.
Of course. If you want Norton, you can get a Norton as well. But for your computer, what my recommendations as a technician, I recommend you for McAfee. Norton always, makes the computer slow.
Whenever you do online shopping,
Oh yeah.
As your computer is custom built, so I suggest you for McAfee.
Oh, okay.
inside your computer and the entire network without your permission. It contains these all stuff. IP blocker, anti-spyware.
All right. So first, in this box, I want you to type your full name as it appears on your account.
If you opt to buy a new computer,
Okay.
suppose you offer the 2 years of security. Within this time period, if you have a new computer, just give us a call on this number and tell us that you want to transfer the security. So this security is transferable. Okay? That's the best thing.
Now, in the second box,
Any one of them so that
you have to put your
all the unwanted stuff, all the bad things that is going on.
first line of your address, street address, the same address which is connected with your bank.
Oh, okay.
Meantime, I can get you registered so that tell me which one you are looking for. Okay? And make sure, sir, you are typing the right address because if this stops something having any problems, you must be having the same address on your check, for the same which is connected with your bank. So make sure you type the same address, okay?
Okay.
It's 3716 Count Lane or Coach Lane or what exactly is it? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you two devices. This is going to be for 2 devices. Okay? It's Counter Lane?
Yeah.
If you have any other devices, we are going to... You sure?
Yep.
Okay? Now, type your city name in this box.
Okay.
This one is for 2 years of security. Suppose after 2 years, if you register for application, so 2 years is 249 is 249, almost $500. And if you offer the 3 years of security, just 349.99, so you can pay at least $150. So decision is yours. I'm just going to recommend you. I'm going to see your... Now, next box, state. It's up to you. Everything else. I'm just giving you the option. Why don't you offer the 3 years? It's going to save you almost $150 in the future. Okay, no problem. Phone number. Let me get you registered for 249.99. So according to your state, this will be the address that we should get you registered. Complete the address 7308 Mountain View Lane, North Carolina. Okay, and this is the name. Alright. Now, at the bottom, I want you to take a look on your check. The check you have in your hand, at the bottom of your check, you have a set of numbers starting from left to right. The first set of 9-digit numbers is your routing number. Put those 9-digit numbers in this box, at the bottom. Do you see that? The cursor is flashing?
Okay, the routing number.
Yes.
Alright.
If you pay by your debit card, your card...
Okay, I got that.
Now, after these set of 9-digit numbers, you have an account number. So put it in this box. Next one.
Okay, account number.
Yes, sir. And Robert, which bank you're dealing with?
I have Bank of America.
Bank of America. Great. Do you know what's the routing number starting from for the Bank of America?
The what number?
The routing numbers. The routing numbers starts for the Bank of America. Do you know?
What do you mean, like for the Bank of America? What?
The routing numbers you are providing me and every information that you are providing me, it's incorrect, and you also know that. The address you gave me, that is wrong. You told me that you are in California. The numbers that you gave me, that is not even close to California.
Yeah, I know.
And
I'm just visiting California, but my numbers are not from California.
So you have to check out that.
and your routing number you are giving me, that's also wrong.
Oh, so is it this number? Is that right?
051. So why did you put those numbers before?
When you're able to see your computer.
It's so hard to see the little numbers, and like they're in like a weird font. Yeah.
What? Weird font?
It will take
Oh
some
yeah.
time.
It's
Then
like
it will be 100.
What
it's a
happened?
different check.
So what happened to that check? How did you get those numbers which you put it before?
I was just looking at the wrong check.
All right. Are you sure you are putting the right account number?
Yep.
Take a look once again and check all these numbers.
All right.
You told me you were looking into the wrong check.
No, ma'am, it will take some time.
So are you sure these numbers are good?
100% after that there will be.
Because you already put the wrong routing numbers before, so...
Let me do that. This is the same name that appears?
Yeah, they're correct now.
Okay. Confirm the same account number in this box.
Account number? Okay.
Yeah, the same account number in this box.
So like, can't we just like copy and paste that?
Okay.
65?
All right. And you do online banking, right?
On my phone I do, but not on my computer.
Okay. I want you to do the online banking, like log into your account on this computer, so we can confirm that the information that you are providing it's up to date. Because if any of the information is wrong,
So,
your
wait a
check
minute. Why
will
would
get...
I log into my bank in front of you? I don't even know you.
No, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to show me anything.
But I'm logging
If
in. You're
you
gonna see my username and like take my password or something.
And when
whenever you put any password, you also know that it always comes in the star, like
But that
bullet
doesn't
points,
matter. I
right?
can like take the username that's not in stars and like click on I forgot my password and like change it.
No, I can't do that. You have security questions and nobody can do that. You have phone number, you always get a pin that comes into your phone number, and then you put the pin, and then only you can change the password. Nobody can do that. Do one thing, don't do that if you don't want. Do it on your phone, so you can cross verify that information. You can see the same information on your net banking as well. When you go to your account, you will have your account number and the routing number there as well. So I just want you to cross verify it, because if your check gets bounced because of the wrong information, that comes onto your head. And whenever a check gets, disqualified or bounced, you have to pay a fee because you put the wrong information.
This would have been
That's
way
just
easier if
I
I
wanted
just
to
used my
secure.
card.
Sorry?
This would have been way easier if we just used the card, because it's like just less steps, you know.
Yeah, I can use the card, but the only problem is I don't want you to face any financial problems over there if your card gets saved, or if you face any other problems with the card, or you actually have to pay any, in between $30 to $50 extra. So why you pay extra when you have an option to save that kind
I'm
of a
okay
money?
with paying extra if it like gets the money there.
Of course it will. Don't worry. If you're sure that the every information that you're putting into this check is good, you just need to make sure the check you have in your hand that is from Bank of America. At the
Yeah.
bottom of that check, you have a set of numbers. From left to right, you can, start checking all these numbers. From left to right, first 9 digits, routing numbers. Is it good to go? Tell me yeah.
Yeah.
After that, your account number. Is it good to go? Tell me yes.
Yeah, the numbers are good now.
And last 4 digits, it's your check number. Put the check number in this box at the top.
Okay.
Four two six.
253177.
That's the check number. 4262.
Yeah. Yep.
All right. I'll put the amount here. There'll be $349.99 for 2 years, and the same will appear in your statement. The charge will be by the name of Amigo Technologies LLC. Okay.
Okay.
And check all the informations once again, and give me the confirmation that everything is good to go.
Yep. It's good.
All right. Let's see.
Check को दे रहे हैं.
How much percentage is next?
Can you see what are these numbers?
So this is the number 08.
2209.
Yeah, confirming it again. It was box 086382032.
You see that? That's what I was talking about.
Oh my God.
Including all taxes in your state, it will be
That's exactly what I was talking about. You put the wrong routing number first, then you correct it, but now the account number is not good.
check that found, you will have to pay the extra money, right?
So can we just use the card
You
now?
have the sufficient funds. Okay.
I can't take your card. That's the only problem. I can't
Why?
take it.
Because someone shut down your like credit card processing account?
No,
Because you're a scam?
it's just because Robert, that's why I was asking you again and again, because I knew that you were just trying to time pass or something like that, and that's why. That's the only reason why I was trying to ask you what exactly is going on, why you are you want to do it, why you are just wasting your time and mine too.
Well, I'm not
that's-
wasting my time. I'm having a good time. How are you?
Yeah, you're wasting your time actually. You're wasting your time, and mine too.
I don't see. Your time's okay to be wasted.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because you're scamming people. If I have you on the phone, dealing with me,
Mhm.
you're not scamming some other person that doesn't know it's a scam.
All right. So you did your job. You happy with that?
Yeah. If you went to school, you would know how that would work.
Yeah, you're happy with that, right? So that's good. So keep on keeping yourself happy. That's good.
Yeah, and continue to ruin people's lives, please, because you're a scammer.
Sorry?
You continue to ruin other people's lives, okay? You little scammer.
Oh, I'm not ruining anybody's life,
Well,
I'm
you're
just
taking
providing this
money.
support.
That's like you didn't even diagnose anything.
Yeah, because I knew you trying to do the same thing, because
Oh,
that's
how
why.
did you know? How would you know? How
You
would you
know,
know?
there are a lot of things that I can, easily recognize the person who trying to, just
Oh,
doing the time pass.
how?
I can't tell you that. That's why I didn't diagnose it. I didn't diagnose it just because I know that you were trying to do
So
something
wait,
like that.
does that say like VirtualBox? No, it's a real computer. But you're such
Yeah,
a scammer, you don't
it's a
understand.
yeah, it's a real computer. That's what I'm trying to do. You are the one who's told me that this is, custom built computer. So custom built computer is sketchy. I know too. So that's why I didn't, wasted my time to just do the diagnose, talking to you, explaining everything, because I knew at the end
Are you really that
you will
lazy
do
that
the
you
same
can't
thing.
open the command prompt and type in tree and type in your
You can do
dumbass message
anything.
at the bottom? Are you really
You
that
can do
lazy? You're a
anything.
horrible
You can
scammer, and that's a good thing,
you can
okay?
do you can do anything you want. I know what I'm doing. So
No, you don't. You're just okay. Okay, you might know what you're doing because you're a scammer, right? So you get calls from people, widgets pop up, and then
you know
you scam them.
I
You just tell them, oh, you
I don't
virus,
call
you have
anybody.
cancer now.
I
Pay me some
don't
money so
call
you can't
anybody.
cure your cancer.
So why don't you start doing the business like that? You start, talking to the people and start saying that I can help you with this. If you think this is not a problem, then start helping people.
Okay, so like you're still a scammer though. That doesn't change the fact that you're a scammer.
So why don't you become an anti-scammer? If you think I'm a scammer, become an anti-scammer. Do something.
I am
This
doing
is not,
something.
no, you're not doing anything. It's not taking you anywhere. It's not taking you anywhere.
Oh, why are you
It's not,
rejecting the screen swap, huh? Stop rejecting.
it's
Stop
not,
rejecting.
that's what I'm saying. It's not taking you anywhere. That's the only problem. You can do anything, but it's
Well, your
actually
scam is not taking you
nothing worth
anywhere.
it. It's nothing worth it. It's nothing worth it.
And don't forget that the security which has been installed inside your
Now,
computer.
keep on sending me the messages for accepting the screen.
Well, I haven't touched the mouse. You're still a scammer, right?